We're going to kick it off with a look at bus stop conditions. I wouldn't be surprised, Will, if we saw some delays this morning.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, especially in those rural areas where we tend to see them. So we'll head out and talk about just that. And it's foggy, and it's in some spots visibility that's so low that you can barely see a car in front of you as far as driving. So that means watch out for the kids at the bus stop. 60s. It'll be such a different story heading home from school. The sun will be shining. You'll be taking the jacket off. Temperatures in the 80s today. So really warming it up for you. But in the meantime, we do have a dense fog advisory that is in place. It includes every single one of you from Sandusky clear on through Lorain County, Cleveland, west east suburbs, Lakewood, Tremont, Ohio City. Although downtown visibility so far so good, we are getting reports of fog through Parma, Strongsville, into Medina, Brunswick, most certainly into Akron, Canton, and into our east suburbs like Willoughby, reporting fog right now into Mentor. And this map, which shows visibility in miles, reporting sites, so obviously you're not all listed on here, but the takeaway is how low it is. And every single reporting site is well under a mile, and in most cases only a quarter-mile visibility, even into Dover, New Philadelphia, which last half hour was over a mile. So things are definitely, worth paying attention to this morning. And maybe, as you're pouring that cup of coffee, make it an extra large for the travel mug and get on the road a little bit earlier to avoid all the congestion that will probably result from the fog that we're dealing with. Temperatures are in the 60s. We're real close to where we are as far as dew points. That's the moisture content in the atmosphere. And that's because of all these leftovers from Florence, which are now to our east. So we're not dealing with the rain, but we've got that kind of locked in the low levels of the atmosphere, along with some very light winds. Once the fog burns off, and I think, by 9 o'clock, you're seeing partial sunshine, then we're really in great shape. We'll have sunshine. We're going to warm things up into the low and mid 80s today. But through the early morning hours, including those busy drive times, fog is going to be a real concern for us. So we'll keep you updated. Should we see any eye alerts or delays like that, we'll let you know. So far, so good in that department. It's 5:15. A look at your extended forecast, low to mid 80s today, and sunshine after the fog. Then tomorrow and Thursday, it's just a stray shower or storm chance. Tomorrow's highs in the upper 70s. Thursday, it's going to be warm again. We're back in that mid 80 range, low 80s Friday with scattered showers and storms likely. And then behind the front, here comes a big cool down just in time to say hello to autumn late Saturday. We're only in the 60s for highs on Saturday.